The clock is running out for Clarence Dixon, the first prisoner on death row to be executed in Arizona in almost 8 years. Fox 10's Marissa Sarbak sat down with the Attorney General, who is weighing in on the court's decision and why it's coming now. Marissa.
We haven't seen an execution here in Arizona since 2014, Mark, and that is because of the controversy surrounding the methods of execution. Now, Clarence Dixon does have an option, legal gas or lethal injection, but he is set to be executed on May 11th.
He is getting the ultimate punishment because he committed the ultimate crime.
Arizona Attorney General Mark Brnovich has been waiting for this decision from the court to finally put to death convicted murderer Clarence Dixon.
He's been getting, 3 square meals a day and a place to live at taxpayers' expense. I mean, to me, enough is enough.
Dixon was convicted of raping, strangling, and stabbing to death 21-year-old ASU senior Dina Bowden back in 1978. But through the process of appeals and a pause on enforcing the death penalty in Arizona, Dixon has been in a holding pattern. Arizona's lethal injection method has been under scrutiny since Joseph Wood was the last prisoner executed in 2014. Wood was reportedly injected with 15 doses of a 2-drug combination, which took more than 2 hours to take effect. Questions arose about the shelf life of the lethal drugs. Even today, Dixon's attorneys declined to go on camera for an interview, but responded in a statement. The state has had nearly a year to demonstrate that it will not be carrying out executions with expired drugs, but has failed to do so. Under these circumstances, the execution of Mr. Dixon, a severely mentally ill, visually disabled, and physically frail member of the Navajo Nation, is unconscionable. Earlier this year, the state attempted to put those rumors to rest, saying it has done specialized testing to determine the drugs in use are not expired.
You have opponents of the death penalty that do everything they can to focus on the killers, the defendants, instead of focusing on justice for the victims.
The Attorney General saying this is the end of the road.
This is something society does, not because we want to or there's some sort of bloodlust. We do this because justice requires it.
According to the courts, Dixon will have 2 weeks to decide whether he wants lethal gas or lethal injection. Now, if he does not make a decision in the next 20 days coming up to that May 11th date, the court will decide for him and it defaults to lethal injection. Currently, there are 112 prisoners on death row and 20 of them have exhausted all appeals. Live in Phoenix, Marissa Sarbak, Fox 10 News.